Hello friends, my name is Kailash Sharma and in this video we are going to talk about Bodmas rule in Excel. What is Bodmas rule? The Bodmas rule stands for bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. It defines a sequence of operation Excel follows in formulas. It ensures calculations are done in the right order. If you do not follow the Bodmas rule, Excel is going to apply the same. However, it may make mistakes. For example, if you are using a formula 10 plus 5 into 2, you may get result as 20 and not 30. Now, this is expected in Excel because it is applying the Bodmas rule. It is first doing the calculation of multiplication followed by addition, and that's why you are getting 20. Now, why Bodmas rule is important? The Bodmas rule is important because it helps to prevent wrong results caused by incorrect order of operation. It ensures consistency in calculations across all formulas. It helps to write accurate formulas without confusion. It saves time by reducing error and rework. It makes formulas easier to understand and debug. You will find Bodmas rule really important when you are working on discount calculation, taxes, percentage, and complex formulas. Let's go to Excel and try to understand how this works. Here I have a sample sales data and I have got the product name, quantity, price, and discount. And with this, I want to calculate the final price. Now, the way to calculate the final price can be like quantity multiplied by price minus the discount. If I put it like this, I'm not getting the right answer, right? So I am expected to get 5,000 into 2, which is 10,000 minus 10%. That means we should get around 9,000. But this is not correct, right? Now, one thing that we can see is this minus 10%. It should be actually multiply of 1 minus 10%, which is 90%, right? Because the discount is 10%, that means the final price is 90%. So 1 minus 10%, which is 100 minus 10%, like that. But still, I'm not getting the right answer because of the Bodmas rule. What it is doing is, if we go to formula, go to evaluate, and you see what is happening. First, it is evaluating B2, which is 2, multiply by C2, which is 5,000, that makes 10,000. And then it is applying this one, right? 10,000 multiplied by 1. So you will get 10,000 and then it is doing a minus of 0.1. So that's how you are getting this number. Now, if we want Excel to follow our rule, we have to put bracket. We will say first you evaluate this and then this one you have to evaluate separately. So basically we are telling the Excel first evaluate this separately, this one separately, and then whatever result it comes, you have to multiply them together. And let's see what we get. So this is in percentage. Let's change it to general. And this is what we were expecting, right? Let's see how it worked. Again, let's select this formula and go to formula bar, evaluate. This time, let's see how it is working. 2 multiplied by 5,000, which is 10,000. Then it is not multiplying by 1. Instead, it is now going to evaluate this, which is 1 minus 0.1, which is 10%. That makes 90%, right? Then it is multiplying 10,000 with 90%, which is 0.9. And that's how we are getting the answer as 9,000. So that's how the importance of Bodmas rule. Whenever you are working on complex formulas, you must make use of Bodmas rule and you should be aware about it as well. If you want to learn Excel in the right way, you can join my Data Academy. Link in the description.